5 upcoming magnificent Hindu temples in India. Sri Ram Mandir, Ayodhya. The long-awaited temple at Lord Ram's birthplace will be open to devotees in 2024 after a period of 5 centuries. Chandrodaya Mandir, Vrindavan. Once completed, the 700 feet tall temple will be the highest religious monument in the world. Hanuman Temple, Kishkinda. This upcoming temple on the foothills of Anjanadri Hill near Hampi will house a 215-meter tall statue of Lord Hanuman. Umiya Mata Mandir, Mehsana. The grand temple of Ma Umiya is being built for Rs 1,500 crores and no iron nails will be used in the construction. Tirupati Balaji Temple, Jammu. The Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam is building a grand replica of the Sri Venkateshwara Temple in Jammu. India is witnessing a cultural renaissance like never before.